Okay, so this is the offending phone. You can see the bulge is supposed to be flat. You can see the bulge already. The battery's bulging big time, so hopefully no fire when we open it up. Ordered the battery from Shopee or Lazada. Hopefully it's the right model. It's like BN5 ABCDE or whatever, so hopefully it's the right one. And if not, I'll leave it open and fix it another day. Okay, so I guess first things first, shut down. Yep. Shut this down. How do you shut this down? Nope. Do we shut it down? So boomer, don't know how to shut down the phone. How to shut it down? So shut down.
You continue to press it even after the AI comes out.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Move it very fast. You have to hold it while rolling.
Oh, there we go. Power off. Alright, let's go. See how long it takes. What's the time? 10:45. Let's get this done before bedtime. Okay, so SIM tray must always come up. Where's the SIM tray? There we go. SIM tray out of the way.
Let's keep pulling.
Tray, SD card. Ooh. Put it neatly aside. Don't get lost. Now, the back plate has to come off. So let's go. Yeah, just now I was repairing this thing. Repairing this thing because the plug had some weird. It had some weird plug, so changed it. Finally changed it to a 3-pin. Oh yeah, that's the weird plug. Couldn't get the adapter. Tried to get the adapter from somewhere. Ended up breaking the adapter and breaking another plug point. So now more things to fix.
I'm looking for Daddy do.
Looks like a best pry tool might be my finger. Come on. It's in. Come on. even get in. So to melt the glue again. Ugh. Seriously, I'm gonna break a nail. Oh, there we go. Is this correct? Doesn't feel correct. Can't even get it open.
Stop. Stop. I said stop. Okay? Yeah.
Ah, mosquito. Ah, mosquito. So many mosquito.
Mosquito under the table.
Chase them away, Jotham. Ah, mosquito.
No more. One more I see. And the Halloween.
Oh.
Whoa! It was
Don't break any wires. Mine.
hello. Mr. Man.
Okay. I think we're in, but some heat should help. Yeah, some heat definitely helps. Yeah, some heat definitely helps. Doesn't need a lot, just needs to get warm.
You guys are going to spoil the sofa. Stop doing that. I
flexible. Just a teensy bit more heat.
I'm going up this. Open it.
Feel the cover does. The back cover seems so flimsy. It's a piece of plastic. Hope I can stick it back. Oh no, I'm gonna have to find a glue. Let's not cut through any wires. Don't cut through wires. Hot air.
It's really hot that it can bend things.
Yeah. Ooh, hot. There we go. That should be it. Come on. Nope. Where is it stuck? Guitar pick. I keep pressing the power button. Come on. Seriously, if you have I'm just doing this for fun. If you need to, just send it to the shops, the Lotus or whatever. Man, this thing is bent. And I have to stick it back. Okay, let me see. Oh, I cannot change it like this. I have to open it up. I have to open it up. The battery cables are underneath somewhere, so I have to open these up. Okay, good news, it's tiny Phillips screwdrivers. Phillips. Doesn't help that my eyesight cannot see small things anymore. Can't see anything. Okay, got it. This should fit. So, got these two sets of screwdrivers. One set is not enough. Somehow need both. Anyway, here we go. One screw. Okay, these screws are barely tightened. Two screws. Three. I think the hot air is attracting the mosquitoes. Stay inside first. Barely applying any pressure and it's coming out. Oh, coming out. Oh no, this is under the camera. How do I reach it?
Did you?
Jordan, give me the cushion. Ah, mosquitoes. Leave it there. Yay. Five. So far they all look the same.
Mommy, I was cleaning my hands.
If they are not, I'm in trouble. Come on. Date of manufacturing for this battery 2022. Is that March 8th? Battery. It's almost 3 years. Is that 3 years? 2. What year is it? And 3, then 4, then 5. Yeah. Almost 4 years. How do I remove this screw? It's under the camera bump.
Wait, I take something.
Oh wait, there's one more here. See, under the warranty sticker. Maybe that's it. Who cares about the warranty now? Yep, got one more here. Walao eh. Got this tiny Xiaomi sticker. Nah, you guys can't even see it. Anyway, it's there. Don't need that anymore. Ish. Need to get magnetic screwdrivers. Where do you go? Okay, so looks like the camera bump will come out. 1, 2, 3, 4 is out. Should be able to lift this. Come on. Oh yeah, the sticker's in the way a little bit. Over here. Anything else in the way or not? There we go. Yeah. Let's try to keep this clean. Actually got some contact point here. What's that for? Don't know. Anyway. Okay. Still cannot see the battery wire. I think it's here. But I think this is for the fingerprint sensor. So I like that the screws are different color, so you can identify. Can see them on the black working area. Ay. Oh, this whole thing. No, there's no optical, there's no stabilizer, I don't think so. This thing, the whole thing is just moving, see? Okay, so I think I need to remove here now. Heat. gun. Yeah. And let's see. So maybe you remove this first. I cannot see anything. Okay. Mosquito. Oh. Let's start from the bottom. Just melt the glue, double-sided tape. Hey, hello Damin, hello Andy. Allergic to work, Andy? Not the flu, allergic to work. How do I even? There we go. Still the my fingernail still the best prying tool. Okay. Come on. Ouch. Wah, susah lah. Don't break the screen. Get my guitar back in. Come on. Seriously, opening the back plate should be enough to change the battery. What is this nonsense? try using this afterwards. Come on.
In that moment, Imogene Herdman experienced the real Christmas story for the very first time. And so we did too.
Okay, we're in. There we go. We're in. Yes. There we go. Yes. Wow. Okay, here actually no double-sided tape, no adhesive, just some clips. Come on, here we go. See the card here getting a bit tricky. And the other side is the buttons. You have to be careful of the ribbon cable, very fragile and very important obviously. Okay, so the double-sided tape was still stuck to the body, that's why. Okay, come on. Okay, so that's why I forgot this. I believe I forgot that. That's why. So this, after this frame in, these two screws. Need to remember all this some more. Yes, fingernail very powerful.
Everyone agreed it was the best ever, but nobody seemed to know why exactly. One thing I did know, because of my mom and her understanding of the Christmas story, the Herdmans finally got what they needed most all along.
Whoa!
But they gave us something we needed all along too.
Why is it still stuck here?
Stop!
Why is this still stuck here? Anything I missed? SIM card is out. Button out of the way. Why?
They were the ones God chose to help James along.
It went back in. What?
As imaging, Christmas seemed over her.
Okay, just have to lift it. Once again, it's the powerful fingernail. There we go. Yes! Wow, this is silly. So, open already, then can see the battery clip. Now let's hope the battery fits. Don't make so much noise, everybody can hear you.
Slower than you.
Yeah, because it is slower. Looks. Yeah, I think it's the wrong one. It's the wrong battery. It looks like the wrong battery. Okay, anyway, should be written here. BN what?
So, passion silver.
Where is it? BN5D. BN5D. This one? BN5D, correct? Okay. Okay, so got instructions. So instruction. First pull out A and B, then pull up A. First pull out A and B. A, B, A. First pull out A and B. Then pull out A. Huh? I don't know. A. Oh, there. Oh, itu macam. A. B. Then pull out A. A and B, then pull out A. Okay, pull out B. Okay, B. Where's, oh my goodness, what's going on? Pull out B, then pull out A. Okay, it's moving. Okay, it's moving. Okay, B doesn't come up. Can hear the ASMR. Bit scary. Underneath you can see the adhesive coming apart. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, forgot to remove the clip. Remove the clip. There we go. And this sticker thing also. Got a little elf here now, trying to distract me. Chase the mosquito away. Use the pillow. Okay, there we go. She's out. She is bloated and pregnant, like Mary during Christmas. Mother Mary during Christmas. Can I reuse this sticker? Oh, looks like I could. I can. Can I? So dodgy. Dodgy. Stay. Okay, let's hope this fits.
We're supposed to wash it for the end.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's actually like.
Yeah, I should put the clip in first. Yeah. What's the name of the movie, Melanie?
I don't know.
The best Christmas pageant ever.
Best Christmas pageant ever. That's a Christmas movie for the kids. Alright, I think it looks good. So before we close everything up, let's give it a test. Hey Jotham, you don't take away. Put it there. Power button is at the bottom. It's the power button. Right here, power button. Press and hold. Hey! Okay, I felt the click. Ta-da! She leaves again. Let's make sure everything works and then close it up. Of course, fingerprint sensor. The ribbon wire is here, so it's not gonna work. But it looks to be starting up. There we go. 61%. Yay! No SIM card, yeah. Correct.
Can you give me the SIM card?
Wi-Fi, come on, Wi-Fi work. Oh wait, maybe, oh no, it works very badly, so. Why was my video stopped? Why was it blocked? Was it because of music just now? Is that what's happening? It's the movie, okay? Chill out, Facebook. Stopping my video. This is for you. If you want the full version of the video, then you have to pay money for it, is it? Okay, get it back in. Okay, there we go. It's in. Come on, let's go back in. Hello, Cam. I see you on social media and you are very happy, Cam. I'm happy for you. Cam, are you gonna come back to Malaysia? When are you coming back? Please say hi to your family, to your baby. Now not baby anymore lah, huh? Is it? Oh, it might be my router. My router is dying on me. Okay, so next thing you see me fixing is my router, maybe. Oh yeah, I can't see. Okay, here got one more clip I can't get. Okay, turn off my Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi off. Come on. Let's close it back. In the right order, in the right order. So small. Yeah, let go. Ish. Close these two first. Okay, work with the magnet instead. Work with the magnet. Okay. Stopping. Maxis is sucking recently. Come on, Maxis. Do better, Maxis. Yeah, Pastor Andy. Jotham was here. Of course, he's here. Okay, don't dirty this lens. Dust a bit. And close it back up. 4 screws. Okay, it's wobbling. Something in the way. Oh yes, here. Get up, get up, get up. By the way, if you're watching this tomorrow, I'll be at my church doing a soldering party. Drop the screw. I heard it hit the floor. Gotta find it now.
6, 7.
Yeah, I lost the screw.
Oh,
Ah, yes, sweet lady, Lux
Yes.
Mouse. Found it. For those who are interested, I'll be at church. I'll be at church doing a soldering party, learning how to repair cables and make new cables. Okay, so if you're around the area, nothing better to do like tonight, you can come over. I can show you how to solder cables, repair them, and I so of course, if you want to make new cables, then pay me some lah for the material. Charge you cost price only lah, huh? Tomorrow available for you is Maruni cable and Rockstone connectors. Rockstone connectors plus also some amphenols. I also have, what else for other cables? Why is the connection keep cutting in and out? Anyway, just finish it and go to sleep. Okay lah, not bad. Took me almost 1 hour, 5 minutes to the hour mark. That's quite good time. Seriously, I can't see anymore now. Go in. So 1 hour, yeah. 1 hour of my time for something that cost maybe is the speaker is here, so there's a magnetic field here from the speaker. Right, there. Don't know why lah. This thing keeps getting cut off. Eesh. Internet keeps getting cut off. And now even my screwdrivers don't want to behave. Okay, put all this back. The double-sided tape properly a bit. The back piece is really a flimsy piece of plastic. So see, the back piece is really just this flimsy thing. Maybe I can order a different color. Okay, now no more bulge. Still got a bit because this thing is permanently bulged. Looks like fingerprint sensor is working. Wi-Fi, you working or not? Okay, working. Now, apply some heat so that the double-sided tape will glue back. Apply some heat. Part going in. Okay. SIM card not working one. Settings. Where's the settings? Is this settings? Fingerprint, come on. Keyboard. Okay, keyboard is working. That's good. Lock screen lah. Is it? Face data screen unlock. Yep. Is there a fingerprint reader? Yeah, there's a fingerprint reader. Where? Anyway, oh, did it work? I think the fingerprint worked. Maybe. Anyway, it works. No more bulging battery. Time to discard this properly. And maybe just for tonight, I'm not gonna charge it. Just leave it anyway. Is what, 60%. So nah, who cares? I'm gonna charge it. Okay, so thank you for hanging out. Took me 1 hour. I took my time, enjoyed the ride, the process. I think could be done faster. That was not the point. The point was to have some fun. So it's done. And yeah, so see you tomorrow. By the way, once again, remind you, tomorrow if you want to join me at Victory Church, we're going to solder some cables. I got the cables here, 1 reel. I got 3 reels of this baby. Alright, so come, can bring your stuff. If not, can use my tools as well. I got some extras. Otherwise, thank you for hanging out. Have a good night. Time to go to sleep.